Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. These sponge daubers by JamieCraft are a must-have for me in my craft room. Whether I'm using them to make beautiful backgrounds or just using them with my stencils, they work so well, and I love having 40 in the set. It really allows me to be able to use each one for different colors, and they fit so nicely on my finger so I can get good precision and get the results that I really want. I also love that they're in a plastic storage case. It's sturdy and it keeps them all together and not scattered around my craft room. I like staying organized and having great tools like this 40-piece dauber set by JamieCraft with storage case. And that's my point of view.